chapter number 8, Introductions to the Trigonometry. The T1 indicates the page number 1 of the chapter number 8, Trigonometry. T1, T2, T3, T4, 5, 6. I will give these numbers. So it is a page number. I will take the photographs of each page and make the PDF files. Okay, so you can prepare the note from that PDF file easily, because number of PDF files I will send you at that time 1 2 3 1 2 3 there will be defeat, so it creates the confusion. To avoid this I have used this technique. Okay, now introductions to the trigonometry. Trigonometry is ancient branch of maths. Okay, it was developed in Egypt and Babylon. No doubt, in India, Aryabhatta also gave the great contributions in these chapters. Okay, what is the main use of this one? It is used to find the distance between sun and planets from the earth. Earth થી તે વચ્ચેનું ડિસ્ટન્સ શોધવા માટે આ બ્રાન્ચનો ખાસ ઉપયોગ કરવામાં આવતો. Nowadays, even today, most of the technology advanced method used in engineering and physical science are based on the trigonometrical concept. Thus, the distance and height can be found by using some mathematical technique which come under the branch of mathematics called the trigonometry. The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek words. Trigonometry is actually Greek words. Trigo means three, gon means side, metros means measures. Thus, trigonometry is related to measure the three sides of the triangles. Okay, that is T2, page number 2. Related to the measures of the three sides of the triangles. Just now we have done it. We have already studied about the principle of right angles triangles and similar triangles. No doubt, similar triangles we have not done it, but just now the required topic of this chapter I will do first. Then we will start the main chapter, trigonometry. Okay, first of all we will do this. No doubt you have done these principles of the right angle triangle somewhat. Okay, in previous chapters. First of all, you know that the Pythagoras theorem. What is meant by Pythagoras theorem? In right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the remaining two sides. Okay, of the remaining two sides. You know it. We have done this in standard 9. We have also done many example based on it. Even though I will just revise it. Okay. Suppose that is your triangle ABC. A, B, C. B is right angle. Then which one is the hypotenuse? What is meant by hypotenuse? The opposite sides of the right angle is known as the hypotenuse AC. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Get it? Suppose I have taken that is 5, that is 12. Find the AC. 5 square 25, 12 square 145, 169. Therefore AC is equal to 30. Okay. So learn this again. Pythagoras theorem. No doubt we have done it in standard 9. मैं तुमने बदलने को खाली I have made mock-up to all of you. Okay. Now congruent figures. What is meant by congruent figure? If the two figures exactly identical with each other, it is known as the congruent figures. Two figures having same shape and size are known as the two pictures were obtained from the same blocks. બે blocks માંથી આપણે બે pictures બનાવી દઈએ તો બંને કેવા કે it is a congruent. Suppose you have one textbook, another boys has the same textbook. બંને ટેક્સ્ટબુક નો ફ્રન્ટ પેજ લો તો બંને ફ્રન્ટ પેજ તમારા કેવા આવે એક્ઝેક્ટ આઇડેન્ટિકલ્સ ઓકે ઓફ સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 10. સપોઝ આઈ હેવ ટેકન ધીસ બુક સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 10. હવે આ ટાઈપની બીજી બુક લઉં આ ફિગર્સ લઉં તો એ ફિગર્સ ના ફિગર્સ સેમ, સો ઇટ ઇઝ obtained from the same block, so it is a congruent figures. Okay, now in triangle ABC, how many parts has the triangle ABC? 6 parts, 3 angles and 3 sides. If 3 angles and 3 sides, corresponding 3 angles and corresponding 3 sides are congruent to each other, then these two triangles are known as the similar congruent triangle. Now similar figures, that is your T3, page number T3. Okay, two figures having the same size, not necessary to the same size, same shape. Shape કેવો છે? Same છે, પણ size કેવી છે? Same proportions, is called the similar figures. A photograph, suppose I have taken 3 photographs. One is a stamp size, second is a passport size, and third one is your postcard size. I have developed from the same negative માંથી બનાવેલું છે, then these 3 is known as the similar figure. Okay, we will talk regarding the similar triangles. Triangles ના સંદર્ભમાં આપણે વાત કરીએ તો triangles ને કેટલા પાર્ટ્સ છે? મેં તમને કીધું તેમ 6, 3 angles, 3 sides. If the 3 correspondence angles are equal and corresponding sides are in the same proportional, in same ratio, then these two triangles are known as the similar. In the same proportional sides, this is the symbol for the similar triangles. Okay, if in triangle ABC and PQR, ABC and PQR, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to Q, and angle C is equal to R, and AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR, then these two triangles are the similar triangles, and written is like this way: triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, or you can write ABC corresponds to PQR is a similar. That is sign for this sign. It is a similar triangles means sign check. Okay, similar.